Today, we unfold our wings, soaring high in the embrace of the sunshine. Let us remain buoyant in spirit by this shared exuberance. In each of us lies a heart full of gratitude. Whether our blessings are modest or abundant, let's cherish them with a thankful spirit. As we delve deeper, we recognize the immense value of our present lives. Our existence is a tapestry of worth, not just to ourselves, but to others. We stand upon a foundation crafted by countless hands over centuries, a testament to shared human endeavor. In this world that humanity has so intricately built, many find their needs fulfilled, and from our abundance, we offer to those in need. This cycle of giving and receiving elevates us all. So let's keep our thoughts aloft, soaring together in high spirits. Each of us carries a destiny rich with joy, a joy that radiates contagiously. Wherever we go, we spread not just happiness, but life and love. We are beacons, each under our unique name, illuminating the world. Each day, we reflect the generous light of the sun, a gift that remains unclaimed, unowned, and free. Embrace the boundless joy your free spirit can discover. I'll be journeying back into the radiant realms and hope to meet you all there someday.
In the journey of life, embracing change is akin to embracing a higher consciousness. To achieve the agility of spirit that many seek, one must first learn to welcome change when it resonates with our deeper selves. It's not just about adapting. It's about aligning with the transformative energies of the universe. Resisting this inevitable flow leads to stagnation, a spiritual deterioration. Like a river that ceases to flow, our energies dissipate, merging indistinctly into the world's ambient elements. Yet, this process is gradual and patient, offering us countless opportunities to redirect our paths, to realign with our true purpose. As the world evolves, undergoing various transformations and advancements, it is imperative to strive for comprehension. This pursuit is not merely intellectual, it is deeply spiritual. It elevates our awareness, bringing us to a more enlightened state of understanding. In this heightened awareness, we delve deeper into the essence of our being, recognizing the immense value of our present lives. Our existence is a sacred tapestry, woven with purpose and intention. Each of us contributes to this tapestry, not just for our own spiritual journey, but for the collective evolution of all. We stand upon a foundation of wisdom and knowledge, crafted by countless souls over centuries, a testament to the shared endeavor of humanity's spiritual quest. In this intricately woven world, many find fulfillment. From our spiritual abundance, we offer support to those in need. This cycle of giving and receiving is not just an act of charity, it is an essential part of our spiritual growth. It elevates us all, binding us in a shared destiny of enlightenment and compassion. Let us keep our thoughts elevated, soaring together in a realm of high spiritual vibration. Each of us carries a destiny rich with joy, a joy that radiates from our inner being and spreads contagiously. Wherever we go, we spread not just happiness, but light and love, the universal energies that bind us. We are luminous beings, each shining under our unique divine essence, illuminating the world with our presence. Each day, we reflect the generous light of the universe, a gift that remains unclaimed, unowned, and universally accessible. Embrace the boundless joy and peace that your free spirit can discover. Journeying back into the radiant realms of spiritual enlightenment, I am filled with hope to meet you all there soon, in a place where change is not a challenge, but a profound spiritual awakening. Now I'll slide back into my meditative state, focusing my thoughts on a vision of global harmony, a world where our collective higher intelligence shapes the utopian society, a dream that humanity has harbored for thousands of years.